This is breaking news that will impact every single driver getting around Metro Detroit and all of Michigan.
Now, this bill overhauls our state's no-fault insurance system and rates that are the highest in the nation.
Personal injury protection rates would be cut by between 10% and 100% for 5 years. That could save you anywhere between $120 to $1,200 a year. Democrats are saying that it's a short-term solution, and
the fighting over the bill was fierce, lasting into the early morning hours. 7 Action News reporter Matthew Smith is live in Southfield this morning, breaking down what this means and what happens next. Matt?
Well, Key, what happens next is this bill goes back to the Senate, but there's still this looming question. Will the governor approve of the bill? Remember, she threatened to veto the version that originated in the House. And this thing, it is long. We're now talking about 82 pages. And one of the biggest changes that happened overnight while many of you were sleeping all the way into 2 o'clock in the morning, well, it has to do with how you get your rate set. It can no longer do with your zip code or your credit score if this bill passes.
There are 61 aye votes and 49 nay votes.
All right, despite the changes, the negotiations lasted hour after hour in the House. It had state reps digging in and taking sides. Almost everyone agrees that a change is needed. That seems obvious, but how it changes, that's what is at the heart of the debate. Now, the bill passed overnight essentially caps the personal injury protection. That's the amount that you can opt to pay a lesser amount of if this bill becomes law. What does that mean? Well, the bill we're talking about lowers how much you're paying the insurance company, but it also caps how much they'd pay if you get in an accident. Democrats argue the cuts, well, it also risks the cut of how much money you get and your care. Republicans say this is the best way to reduce rates fast.
Let my people go. Get us out of this system that we want out of. We want to get out of it. And just give people a choice. That's why this bill is a wonderful way out.
This cuts care for everybody. There is no guarantee that we will see rate reduction.
I started talking about this online with you guys just after 5 o'clock this morning. I've already been getting a lot of response. So we've launched a poll on WXYZ.com/vote. What we're asking you right now is if this auto insurance reform bill reaches the governor's desk, should she sign it? Get online and vote right now. We'll share some of your responses later on online as well. We're live this morning in Southfield. Matthew Smith, 7 Action News.
All right, thank you very much, Matt. And that poll is on screen right now. 69% of people saying yes, Governor Gretchen Whitmer should sign the bill. 27% say no.